Hey, yo, Tyrell. Fuck a photo. We're filming this shit, man.
Oh, shit behind me. Tow that curb up. You know I know the ride. God damn, they ain't in their seatbelt. What the fuck? They all out the window. Tell you, I love you. Oh man. Sheesh. Man, no, I said, did that bitch say Jeezy and I thought it said Jeezy and audio. Jeezy and Nod. Okay. Jeezy. I see you. What the hell you doing? God damn. Maintain fucking lane. What the fuck? God damn, y'all. You're right side of the road. You might be trying to get the fuck over. Yeah, it's too late now. God damn. You got a helmet on, bro. You got these shorts on and that little ass wheel on this motherfucker. That 2-ply. I'm tired. What? Can you imagine them bitches slipping? In a pothole? Oh my gosh. I know he ain't do that. This motherfucker passing folks. Oh, goddamn. What the fuck you doing? Get your ass out the fucking phone. Shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Boys is out. What the fuck? What the fuck?
For tree, when one fit turn we stop.
On the highway? Huh? Who didn't pay? Oh, I didn't pay.